like in this game. Okay then. Okay, let's see. What kind of operations can we do? I know. Let's do this one. Okay then. Volunteer donor. We're in space. What's with the sad music? Okay, let's grab this hammer. And it's an eternity. It's been a really long time since last I played this game. Like a year or so. Wait. No. Oh, okay, let's see. Can we use this instead? Yeah, this is good. No, it's going well. Whoa, the heart! No. I need you, okay? I hope this game will be available in PlayStation VR when that comes out. You know, in August. I'm getting that. Okay. No. Heart. No. Heart. Well, let's just take drugs. Amazing. Now, let's stop exploding. There you go. I hope the heart goes down again at some point. Alrighty then. This makes me very dizzy. I didn't take the knife. The knife. Let's see. Get the lungs out of there. There you go. Let's see. I think... Ah, there it is. Jeez. Can I fix this somehow? I just want to go to Alien. Okay, let's see. The heart is there. Okay, that's good. Now, let's see. Aha, here it is. Okay, let's now gently do this. There. Cut that off. There you go. I hate sad music. Okay, there you go. Okay, where is the... Okay, let's just end this really quick. Just want to win now. I don't want to stop. Bleed. No! A heart! Heart! No! No! Oh, come off, yes. Come back! Heart, no! You can't leave me! Heart! No! Heart! No! Okay, I think I have lost. Is there something I can do? There you go. There you go. Okay, now I just wish I had the heart. This is the wrong heart. Go away. I think we should just turn this off. Because now it's just going to die. How do I do this? Ah! It's impossible. Okay, maybe you can't do that. What is there to do? What is there to do? The heart needs to come back up at some point, right? Now let's just restart this. By the way, I'm using controller, so I can move it around. As you can see, when I do this, it looks like that in the game. Smart. You could also use the PlayStation Move remote, but I never got that to really work. No! Okay. No! Okay, there. Okay, this new heart. Put it gently in here. Alright. No. You need to stay. 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 No. You're not supposed to go. You're supposed to stay. Alright. Okay. Now let's get his rib cage open. Why can't I take this? There you go. Alright. This isn't easy. Maybe I could get the flesh moving to work. Should we try that afterwards? It might take a while to set it up, but whatever. Come on, we need to save them. way, this game isn't that hard actually. I don't know why people are complaining that the game is hard and it isn't. Oh, oh, oh. He needs to not bleed. There you go. Sorry about your eye, guy. I see the new heart, but it's standing still though. So let's just get rid of everything he has. Come on, get out of there. But let's just get this first. His lungs. There you go. Alright. This doesn't want to come out. Okay. Maybe that isn't a problem. Where's the knife? There's the knife. Okay. See, you can. Oh no, no. Knife. No. Okay. This knife. No. What did I do wrong? Ah. No. Aww. Ooh. This one might work. See? Oh, hello, first viewer. I've never failed this badly at this game, because I haven't played it in about a year or something. So I thought about, why not stream it? This is not the best position to hold a knife. Okay. This isn't going well. No, syringe. No? Syringe, no. There you go. Okay. There you go. No. Okay, there you go. Ooh. Okay. Let's get the heart open somehow. I hope this game will work with the PlayStation VR in August when it comes out, because I'm going to play it then. Okay. Syringe? Where are you, syringe? Oh, there it is. Well, wait. Where's the heart? Where's this new heart? Well, that isn't going so well, is it? No! No! I stabbed myself with it. Where's all the syringe? Where's all the syringe? This is not good. He needs to stop bleeding. Okay, thank you. No. Aha! I got you. There you go. Okay. Where's his new heart? It's right there. Okay. Grab it and just put it in. Go in. Get in. There you go. Yay! We won! We got a D. Not that kind of a D, but whatever. Now I'm gonna get some jelly. It's the best. Okay, let's see. What should we do now? That's in space. This is the alien threat. See, this was the best in it. I won it actually, but I got a D. let's see. I actually have gotten a C in this one. A C, a D, a B, and a D. Okay, let's see. In this one I got a B, a D, a and a D. Okay. Here, a C, a D, a D, a D, and a B. This one, an A++. Well, I did good, I think. An A++. C, D, and a C. I could grab this. No! No! Okay, let's just play the first one. Begin operation. After this one, I think I'm going to try to set up this thing. If I'll actually get it to work. Okay, let's see. Now we need... This one. You need to break the sides. There you go. I don't understand how he's bleeding from rib cages or whatever. Aha! This is going good. Come on, bro! Okay, there we go. Now we need this syringe right here to make it stop bleeding. Just put it in my face. There you go. Now take this and throw it out of his body. Because he doesn't need it. He only needs a heart. Am I correct? That is his liver, I guess. No, his lungs. And that is his, where the food goes. What's it called in English? I have no idea. I forgot. Let's see. No, not that one. This one. Yes. Okay, let's see. Now you need to cut this one off here. And down here. Now cut this heart out. There you go. Now take the syringe again to make him stop bleeding. Remember, don't stab yourself with it. Because it's basically drugs. Okay, now take his heart out. I should make a tutorial, seriously, this is going well. Get out of there, Art! No, just kidding, I'm not mad. Okay, now you need to open this thing right there. Take the new heart and drop it in there. Woohoo! An A! That's new! New record. I did well. Okay, now let's try to set this one up. Let's see how that will work out. Wait, this is the wrong stick. Of course, I used the old sticks. Where is the old sticks? Oh, wait, it has battery. Whoa! Hi! What happened? I'm invincible. That isn't right. Okay, there you go. I don't know what happened. Okay. It's connected now, but how much battery life does it have? Oh, okay. I think it got enough. So let's see if we can set it up. There you go. Oh, wait, does it... This is not easy to set up. What is going on? I have no idea what's going on here, actually. Do I need more light? Like, it's really bright. Well, let's try that out. More light. Yeah. Should be really bright in here now. Okay, I don't know if I want to deal with this because this is hard to set up, bro. Seriously, what is this? What is going on? Maybe I should do this off stream, because this is really hard to set up. I don't understand this. Wait, let me just calibrate really quickly. Because I think this needs to calibrate. Let's see. Where was it? Devices, right? Yeah. Okay, it's adjusted now, it says, at least. I'm still trying to think what's going on here. Motion controller, of course. Yeah. Does it work now? It keeps on saying you need to move back. I don't know if that makes sense. Okay, I cancel it. Wait, is it the hand? The real hand we need to do? It's not the hand. Nothing happens when I put the hand, but when I put the motion controller, it shows up. But I don't know what's going on. Keeps on saying to move back. I don't understand. What does it want from me? I never had it to work this badly before. I don't understand this.